This is 30 Days Spoken Maa Language and Culture Orientation. My name is Teto Oletutuma. This is a video in a series of videos I will continue to share with you in the next coming few days as we complete 30 days of the program. In today's video as well, I again point to you another similarity between my community, the Maasai, and the community of Israel. And the dominant, again, similarity is pastoralism. We know from the Bible how Abraham, the grandfather of the nation of Israel, was a nomadic pastoralist. Could you guess, or could you pretend that you would know what he was taking care of in the wilderness as he was moving from one place to another? Of course, I'm sure you understand that they were always taking care of their flocks, herds of cows and flocks of sheep. And every other time, their particular location of wherever they will be living at the moment will always be based on the needs of this livestock, whether water or pastures. And for sure, the Maasai economy for the immediate past, before advent of technology and development, as we know, the economy was entirely based on pastoralism, and so was the nation of Israel. That is another, according to me, another similarity between the Maasai and the nation of Israel. Tomorrow, you shall continue to receive more videos and more content, including audios and PDF. And in today's audio as well, I'll give you another folktale that is almost similar between the Maasai and the Israelites, to mean a folktale that the Maasai have, which is almost similar to a folktale from the nation of Judah. Yes, and that again is today's presentation offer of a video for the lesson. See you again tomorrow.